We're over here at gotomath.com. This is a live chat where you can ask me a question. That's if I'm on here. Okay. And what are we doing? We're doing calculus, of course, limits. We're looking at infinite limits, and we're in this section right here. Let's move over to the whiteboard and write down our problem. We have f of t is equal to t plus 6 over t squared minus 10t. I believe that was plus 25, but just to make sure, yes, minus 10t. Okay, so we want to find the vertical asymptotes. We want to take the denominator, set it equal to 0, and solve for x. And so let's just do that. T squared minus 10t plus 25. Now, instead of using the quadratic formula, we're not going to have to do that in this problem. Let's look at factoring this thing, because I think it factors nicely. So two numbers multiplied together gives you 25, and when you add them, you get negative 10. How about a minus 5 and a minus 5? There you go. Okay. So it looks like the only thing we can plug in here to get 0 is going to be 5. Right? 5. That's it. So t is equal to 5 will be our vertical asymptote. And of course, if you take 5, plug it into the numerator, and we get 11. So good news is, as we don't get 0 in the numerator, because if we did get 0 in the numerator also, then that means that's not a vertical asymptote. Alright, so vertical asymptote, just take the denominator, set it equal to 0, and find the solution set. Alright, I don't know, we got some time. Let's just kind of sketch out what this graph looks like. We said that, what did we say? We said at 5 there's a vertical asymptote. That's going to be over here, right? So we know that it's doing something like that. And we also know that if we plug 0, 0, and 0 in, you get 6 over 25. In other words, this is where it crosses the y-axis. And that would be 6 over 25, so we'll just say somewhere in here. Right? So this thing is going to cross here. So my guess is it's probably going to do something like this. Right? It's going to come up, do something like this. There's another way of writing this denominator. Maybe we can see things a little clearer. We could also write it like this, t minus 5 squared, because there's two of them, right? F of t. Okay. So my guess is it's going to come up, do something like this. Question is it down here or is it up here? Well, we know that the bottom is always squared, so that's going to be a positive number. And when we plug in, that almost looks like a dollar sign. Let's make sure we all know that's 5 there. We plug in a number bigger than 5, obviously here, it's going to be it's going to be positive. So probably do something like this, but something's fishy. Yeah, this number, wait a minute, we got negative t values. Okay. This graph is going to obviously cross the x-axis. If we set the whole thing equal to 0, we'll see that at negative 6 here, right, it's going to cross. So it's going to do something like that. Alright, it's going to have to cross at negative 6. Okay?